There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. Yeah, I figured out that next job will be the machine off this, even with each other. There's a camera. I gotta make this top one even with that one because the lathe tooling's not sitting properly. That's the last of what I've been doing. Hopefully work could be Wednesday is all good. I had to get home, I had to go to bed. Problem with my new camera is my wife got this real cheap and I try to use it as long as possible. It's got 180 degree privacy protection, so if I turn my phone just a little bit I can't see what the hell's on the screen. If I look straight in here I can see great, but other than that I can't tell if it's recording, what angle it's recording or what, so oh well. Anyway, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.